Welcome to the Stoic Tide. It's not your looks. It's not your money. It's not your words that make her fall deeply for you. It's something far rarer. The quiet power of your presence. Because true attraction isn't built through effort. It's built through energy. The kind that a Stoic man radiates effortlessly while other men chase, explain, and perform. A Stoic man simply is. He moves with intention, not desperation. And that alone makes her feel something she can't explain: safety, curiosity, and respect. Let's break down 5 powerful acts that make women fall madly in love, not through manipulation, but through mastery of self. 1. Mastering emotional control. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Emotional control is magnetic because it's rare. When she yells, you stay calm. When she withdraws, you remain composed. When she tests your patience, you respond with stillness. You see, most men overreact. They mirror her chaos instead of grounding it. But when you stay centered, when your emotions don't rise and fall with her moods, she feels something powerful: trust. She may not say it, but deep down she thinks, this man is safe. He's stable. I can rest around him. And that's when emotional attraction becomes something deeper: emotional dependence. 2. Speaking less, meaning more. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. You don't win her heart by convincing her. You win it by embodying calm certainty." A Stoic man speaks when necessary, not constantly. He lets his presence do the talking. His silence doesn't create distance, it creates depth. Every word he says carries weight because it comes from stillness, not impulse. And women remember that. They remember how they felt in your silence far longer than anything you could have said. 3. Setting boundaries without anger. Most men think boundaries push women away. In truth, boundaries build respect, and respect fuels attraction. Seneca said, "A man who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than is necessary." Don't suffer trying to please her. When you set limits with calm firmness, you show emotional maturity, not weakness. She realizes you don't fear losing her. You fear losing yourself. That difference changes everything because deep down, every woman wants a man who can lead not by control, but by consistency. Boundaries tell her, my peace matters. And when she feels your peace, she craves to be part of it. 4. Pursuing purpose, not validation. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "A man's worth is no greater than the worth of his ambitions." The Stoic man knows that his purpose is his gravity. The moment you prioritize chasing women over chasing meaning, you lose your magnetic pull. A man absorbed in his purpose radiates focus, drive, and calmness. He becomes the type of man women want to be around, not because he needs them, but because his energy uplifts them. When you're consumed by growth, she begins to chase your time, your attention, your presence, because she knows she's standing near greatness. Remember, you don't attract women by making them your priority. You attract them by making your purpose your priority. 5. Loving from strength, not fear. Most men love to be loved back, but a Stoic man loves from abundance, not attachment. He gives without losing himself. Epictetus said, "When you kiss your child, remind yourself you're kissing a mortal." In other words, cherish what you have, but don't cling to it. When a woman feels that you care for her deeply, but you'd still remain complete without her, she feels both desire and admiration, because you're not loving her to fill a void. You're loving her to share your peace. That kind of love is unforgettable. So remember, it's not grand gestures or constant attention that make her fall for you. It's your control, your silence, your purpose, your boundaries, and your steady love. When you master yourself, she feels it in every interaction. You become the calm in her storm, the certainty in her doubt, the man who doesn't need her but chooses her. That's when she falls. Not for what you say, but for who you've become. Stay grounded, stay powerful, stay stoic, stay blessed.